So firstly we'll start. So this is the chart. So we're gonna trade GBP JPY today. We're gonna first make the setup for GBP JPY, and firstly I will start with daily time frame. So daily you have to firstly make the chart, prepare the chart starting from daily time frame. So we're gonna mark the major support and resistance in the chart. I'll take this horizontal line. So there's gonna be a major support in the daily time frame. Oh, sorry, major resistance, not support. There's gonna be major support. And there's gonna be major support. And this can also be a major support. Just remember that where most of the candles are touching the points, this 1 point, second point, second, third and fourth, 4 points. Let's look for the major, let's look for the points, majorly points touching 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to be a major support or resistance. So now moving to 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame we can see that so we're gonna give the colors also. Let's change it to red or no blue. We're gonna write it down. One daily support, daily, 1 day. We're gonna write it down 1 day. So it gonna comes here 1 day. Then this is also daily support resistance. This is also daily. This is also daily. It will take little time, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes initially when you start with the chart preparation, but this will really help you a lot because every day charts get changed, their support resistance get changed. You get new support and resistance, so it's better to prepare chart daily on the daily basis so that it will give you a good idea. So you will never get a wrong trade and will not get trapped. So you're gonna move it a little bit to downward side. Yes. Now let's look for the 4-hour support. So we're gonna 4-hour support gonna be almost, I think this one. Majorly candles are touching over here. Let's see. So we'll take another color for this. Let's take it yellow, orange for the 4-hour. 4H. We'll write 4H. So this is the 4 hours. So it's gonna be our 4-hour time, 4-hour support. Let's look for another 4-hour support. This is gonna be, yeah. So now let's move down to 1 hour. So clearly we can see this gonna be your 1 hour. Let's take it 1 hour to green, light green. And this is gonna be 1 hour. Okay. So currently we'll look for this because the prices, see, currently we will not go more far because prices in this range right now, this range, sorry, one second. Yeah, so currently price is in this range only, so we're not gonna go much far for the support and resistance. Price will play over here only. Okay, so now we have done with the support and resistance. So this is our dailies, this is our green ones, our 1 hour. Green ones are 1 hour, and yellow orange ones are 4 hours. This is our daily, this is our 1 hour. Now let's jump to 30 minutes. Let's look for it over here. 30 minutes, let's take it red. This is gonna be 30 minutes. Alright. If the price comes over here, let's take it this also. Perfect. Now move to, let's mark 30 minutes. Let's move to 5 minutes now. Okay. So 5 minutes gonna be here. We'll take black for the 5 minutes and will not mark because 5 minutes we mark it very regularly. So 5 minutes, we're not gonna write 5 minutes. Black gonna be 5 minutes. So this gonna be so when we have, so this is the, this we prepared the chart. So currently if we go to 4-hour time frame, so we have prepared the chart. Now we're gonna analyze the trend of the chart. So now we'll analyze the trends. We are on 5 or 4 hour chart. So if you can see a higher high, then it made a double top over here, then market fall. If you see this high is lower than this high. I'm gonna open a brush so that it will be easy to explain. So this high is lower than this high. This high is lower than this high. So you can see that it's a downtrend. When the price comes up, it goes down, it comes up, and it goes down. But if you'll see over here, I'm gonna switch off all these trend lines once, so that it will be clear to understand for me and for you also. Okay, so you can see that price coming down, 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 but over here this is gonna be the major support. Let me just open that trend line. Yeah, this one. So you can see that price is getting bounced from here, and price is coming here, it is bouncing. From here. So price is trying to make lows, but it came down, then rejected from here, moved up, came again, moved up, came again, moved up. Now it came again down and it moved up. It's on support only. So from above side, it's a downtrend, but it's taking a major support over here. You can see that price got rejected from here. It fails to come up. It tried multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it came down. It's a very important support. If this breaks, definitely we'll get a down trade. Let's make a trend line now. So I'm not able to find any trend lines on higher time frame. I just marked this 2 trend lines. I just wanted to show you. See, it was upper trend, higher high, lower high, higher high. Then it came up till here. Then I made a trend line over here. The price break this part. So let's now go to a lower time frame and see what actually happened over here. Currently there is no I analyzed the chart. Currently I cannot find any trend lines to make. There's no pattern right now for the trend lines. So I just made this trend line. I want to show you. Yeah, so you can see currently price was following this trend line. It was coming again and bouncing from here, moving up, upwards. Yeah, so time for 5 minutes frame. So see, it took support, it moved up, it took support, move up. Now it failed to make higher highs. See, every time it is making higher high, but now if you see, it goes up, it came down, it goes up, it started making lower high from here. Then it was a dodgy candle. See, as you can see, it has upper body, lower body, close in between. So over here it says that it's indecision. then price came down up, then it braked the price, it again came down. See, there's a candle. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so this candle came down all the way but went up, as you can see, went up all the way. So it tried to break, but buyers are over here because everyone knows it's a major support, but it broke it from a bearish candle, and that's the most strong candle. Then it gave closing downwards to this candle. So it's a clear indication that you can take a trade over here, you can short the position, you can keep your SL over here above this high. It's a very good trade. Your SL gonna be a little bit longer, yeah. So you can plan it for this, because that's the high, that's the place where price went up. So this should be your target. So if we'll move again back, sorry, I'm a little bit old school. Yeah, over here. So you would have targeted for this. So there's going to be 2:2. There's going to be just to, like, if you're losing 2:50, you can say. .5 into 2. So if you're losing this much, you're gaining almost triple. So that can be a very good trade. So okay, now let's move to today's trade. I'll just remove this. I'll remove this trend line also. I'll remove this also. No, 1 second. Yeah, I'll just open all the trend lines which we made earlier. Because now we'll analyze and we'll take the trade. Yeah, so price is currently over here. This is a indicator which I use. That's these are pivot points, and it's really important, it's really useful. And this is EMA, exponential moving average, 8 and